Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to verify your YouTube account. Here I am showing you with mobile browser app, and here I am using Firefox apps, and do not use Chrome apps because I face issue like auto redirection to YouTube apps. Now first open your Firefox apps and search on youtube.com. Now tap on profile icon at the top right. Here sign in your YouTube account. Enter your Gmail password and next. Then tap on three dot at the top right. Here turn on phone desktop site. Now tap on your profile icon. Then tap on setting option. Here you can see an option channel status and feature. Now tap on channel status and feature. Here you will find the verification option. Now I will verify my channel and show it clearly to you. First click on verify option. Here you will find two options for verification. First one call and second text. I will choose the text option. Now input your any activate phone number. And submit. A verification code will be sent to your phone shortly after submission. Now I will input 6-digit verification code. And submit. You can see here your verification is completed. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.